Today, I am excited to share the many health benefits of dancing, an enjoyable activity that enhances both physical and mental well-being. Dancing can help increase heart rate, improve circulation, and reduce the risk of heart disease by strengthening the heart and boosting overall cardiovascular health. Regular dancing improves flexibility by promoting joint mobility and stretching muscles, helping to reduce stiffness and prevent injuries. Dancing is an effective form of exercise that can help with weight loss and maintaining a healthy weight by burning calories and improving metabolism. Dancing reduces stress, anxiety, and depression by releasing endorphins and providing an enjoyable way to relax and de-stress. Dance helps improve overall body coordination, stability, and balance, which can be particularly beneficial as people age. Dancing works various muscle groups, improving strength, endurance, and muscle tone, especially in the core, legs, and arms. Regular dancing encourages proper body alignment and promotes better posture, reducing strain on the spine and muscles. Weight-bearing dance forms, such as ballet and salsa, can help maintain and improve bone density, which is essential in preventing osteoporosis. Finally, dancing fosters a vibrant sense of community and meaningful social connections, uplifting mental well-being while melting away feelings of loneliness. Let the music move you to better health.